morning everyone, my name is Jasper James Itang from BSMAR Alpha. I'm going to share a video about the mathematics in the modern world. Three topics with construct of their own problem. The first one is age word problem, the second one is mixture problem, and the third one is distance, rate, and time problem. The first problem. Maria is 4 years older than her brother Tom. In 5 years, the sum of their age will be 50 years. How old are Maria and Tom right now? So Maria is 4 years older than Tom, so let Maria x plus 4 and let Tom be the x. For the future, x plus 4 plus x plus 5 is equal to x plus 9 and x plus 4. The sum of their age in 5 years will be 50. So Maria plus Tom is equal to 50. Solve the equation and find the x. X plus 9 plus x plus 5 is equal to 50. So let's solve the equation. X plus x is 2x. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Bring down 50. 2x plus, let's combine the like terms. 2x plus 50 minus 14. The like terms here is the 50 and 14. So let's continue. Bring down 2x is equal to 50 minus 14 equal to 36. Let's simplify to get the x. 2x, divide both sides by 2. Cancel out the 2 and then x. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Find the x is equal to 18. Now let's find Maria's age. Maria's age is x plus 4 is equal to 18 plus 4 equals 22. X plus 4 here is the 4 years gap, and the 18 is our x. 18 plus 4 years gap is equal to 22. So this is Maria's age. Conclusion: Tom's current age is 18, and Maria's current age is 22 years old. Mixture problem. A chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid, and the first solution is 30% hydrochloric acid and the second solution is 70% hydrochloric acid. The chemist wants to create 200 ml of solution that is 50% hydrochloric acid, and how much of each solution should the chemist mix together? Hydro 1 is the x. The amount of Hydro 2 is y. The part of Hydro 1 is 0.30 and the part of Hydro 2 is 0.70. A total of x plus 0.30 is 0.30x and y times 0.70 is 0.70y. Of x plus y is 200, and the final amount of part is 50. $200 times 0.50 is 100. Solve the system of equation. X plus y is equal to 200. 0.30x plus 0.75 is equal to 100. Let's substitute y into the equation. 0.30x plus 0.70, the y is equal to 100. 0.30x plus 0.70 plus 0.70 multiplied to 200 is 140, is equal to 100. It's not, it's negative. 0.30x minus 0.70 x is equal to negative 0.4x plus 140 equals to 100. Let's combine the like terms. Negative 0.4x is equal to 100 minus 140. This is 140, we transfer it into this 140 here. So let's change the positive sign into the negative sign. So let's continue. Negative 0.4x equal to 100 minus 140 is equal to negative 40. Divide both sides by negative 0.4. Cancel this negative 0.4. Bring down the x. Negative 40 divided by negative 0.4 is equal to 100. The y, substitute x back into the equation for y. X plus y is equal to 200, and Rx is 100 minus 100 is equal to 100. So in conclusion, 100 ml of 30% hydrochloric acid solution. And the second solution is 100 ml of 70% hydrochloric acid solution will create 200 ml of solution that is 50% of hydrochloric acid. The last problem is distance, rate, and time. The problem is Laura and Miguel decided to see each other. If Sindangan to Dipolog is 180 miles and Laura is driving 30 miles per hour, and Ozamis City to Dipolog City is 180 miles and Miguel is driving 60 miles per hour, how many hours will it take for them to arrive on Dipolog City? Let's substitute the numbers. Laura is driving 30 miles per hour and Miguel is driving 60 miles per hour. Time hours is x to arrive at Dipolog City at the same time. So distance is 180 miles for Laura and 180 miles for Miguel. Using the formula of time is equal to distance divided by speed. Mm. So let's calculate the time for Laura and Miguel. Laura is driving 60 miles per hour and the distance from Tindakan to Dipolog is 80 miles. So let's substitute the equation. Time is equal to 180 miles, the distance from Tindakan to Dipolog, and Laura is driving 30 miles per hour. So 180 divided by 30 is equal to 6. And Miguel is driving a speed of 60 miles per hour and the distance from Osamis to Dipolog is 180 miles. So using the formula of time again, t is equal to d distance and over speed. The distance from Miguel to Osamis to Dipolog is 180 over the speed of 60 miles. So our time is, for Miguel, is 3. The summary of the table. So Lara is driving 30 miles per hour and Miguel is 60 miles per hour. And the distance is 180 miles per hour, 180 miles. 180 miles divided by 30 and 60. 180 divided by 30 is 6 hours. And 180 divided by 60 is 3 hours. So in conclusion, Laura will take 6 hours to arrive on Dipolog City. And Miguel will take 3 hours to arrive on Dipolog City. That's all. Thank you.